Good sign up to this year. Thanks be to God, you are here. Salamat sa Diyos at kahit ka. Kamusta po kayo? Good sign up. Salamat sa Diyos. A teacher once asked his pupil in this question, what do you want to become when you grow up? One pupil would say, I want to become a doctor so that I could help those who are sick. Another student would say, I want to become a lawyer so that I could defend those victims and abuse. I want to become an engineer so that I could build buildings. And then one student who raised his hands and he said, I want to become PMA. So you want to become soldiers? The teacher would say to him, no, ma'am. My mother told me that she wanted me to become PMA. Pahinga muna, anak. Pahinga muna, anak. This is the message of Jesus to us now. Pahinga muna, anak. Pakisabi nga po sa katabi, pahinga ka muna. Pahinga muna. Why do you go to the Holy Mass Sunday after Sunday? Some of you are coming from distant places to attend this Holy Mass for the Filipino Catholic community. You go to the Holy Mass because it is a Sunday obligation, and as a Catholic, I must go to the Holy Mass on Sunday. Some of us will go to the Holy Mass because after the Holy Mass there is socialization, a gathering, agape. You go to the Holy Mass because you have something to ask and pray for. Lord, sana makapasa na ako sa examination ko. Kaya ako nagsisimba because I have something to pray for. I have intentions. These are many good reasons why you want to attend the Holy Mass every Sunday. And you have your own reason why you go to the Holy Mass on Sunday. Most of the time, you go to the Holy Mass because you are already exhausted. Pagod sa kakatrabaho, and you want to have something that would refresh you. You go to the Mass so that you could recharge. Yung cellphone natin, nalulungan at kinakailangan recharge. Yung mga sasakyan ninyo, sometimes it will run out of gas. Kailangan mag-refuel. Aldi, Rebel, DM stores are closed on Sunday. Sana may panahon at nakakapagpahinga tayo tuwing Sunday kasama si Lord. Life can be very burdensome. And this world can be incredibly cruel at times. Nakakapagod ang buhay, nakakapagod ang buong isang linggong puno ng trabaho. We are tired and sometimes get stressed. Hindi lang sa trabaho, kundi sa mga taong kasama. Sino ba ang hindi na mapagod sa buhay ngayon? We are exhausted not only in our job, but in our daily news that we heard or we have seen in television. Tragedies, earthquakes, government scandals, family problem, traffic, overpriced bill, etc. Our bodies need to take rest. Magkakasakit ka kung puro ka trabaho ng trabaho, the very nature of our body. If our body is tired, our mind and our body will tell us, uy, magpahinga ka muna. Take a rest. Take a pause moment. You need that too. You need those things. And that is why Jesus would offer us a time for Him. A time for us to recharge. A time for Him. A time for us to see Him. That He will give us strength. You came to the Holy Mass Sunday after Sunday because you need to have strength to face challenges in life. You have come to Mass to listen to the word of the Lord, and to receive the Holy Communion because you want to be strong again and again. In our Gospel, Jesus invites us to come to Him. All you are labor and burden, and I will give you rest. Jesus is like saying, PMA, pahinga ka muna, anak. Pahinga ka muna. Have some rest. Have some pause for a moment. And that is precisely many of us here who want to attend the Holy Mass. We have 5 to 6 days of working time, or working days. We work 8 hours a day, maybe some of you 6 hours a day. But the Lord is inviting us again to take 1 hour for Him, so that we could recharge and get strength from Him. Remember, my dear brothers and sisters, without the Lord, our days will become weekdays. W-E-A-K. Weekdays. Without the Lord in our life, it seems that all days of a week is a weekdays. You need to rest, and you can only find it with the Lord. You need to have strength, and you can find it with the Lord, with our God. Kapag napapagod po kayo, welcome po ang ating community. At wini-welcome ka ni Jesus na makakita at makahanap ng kapahingahan sa lugar na ito. Bitawan mo na ang mga mabibigat na maleta. Nausong salitang ito, maleta. Kumakainan lamang. What is inside of your luggage? Sana hindi po pera galing sa flood control. Sana hindi po minyong pera ang laman ng inyong mga luggage. Most of the time, we carry heavy luggage packed with anger, past hurts, worries, stress, toxicity, and fears. Kaya pala tayo walang kapahingahan. That is why, sisters and brothers, make a choice. Choose God. Leave those luggage that you carry and learn to lean on God's shoulder. Saint Therese of Avila beautifully declared that as she always went to receive Jesus in the Holy Mass, let nothing disturb her. Nada te turbe, solo Dios basta. God alone is enough for her. Napapagod? Magpahinga. Huwag susuko. Huwag mapahinaan ang loob. Huwag bibitaw. Matapos magpahinga, andar ulit. At sa Diyos aasa at hihingi ng lakas. When we are tired, we do not go to casino to make ourselves rest. Or we do not drink a case of beer to satisfy our tears. Or we do not go to an illicit affair to be comforted. When we are tired, go to the Lord. Go to Him. He will give you rest. The Lord is giving us rest. But the Lord is not taking out all our problems. Hindi ibig sabihin na binigyan tayo kapangyarihan ay tatanggalin ng Diyos ang ating mga problema. Problems are part of our life. Dalawang tao lang po ang walang problema sa mundong ito. Sino yung dalawang tao ito? Una, kapag ang paa mo ay pantay na, wala ka ng problema. Ano ibig sabihin? Pagpatay ka na. At pangalawa, pag ang paa mo ay palakad-lakad, walang pupuntahan at kung saan-saan maglalakad. Ano ibig sabihin? Pag napaliw ng tao, wala ng problema. Lahat tayo, everyone has his own problem. Kung wala na kayong problema, langit na yun. The Lord did not say, I will take away your problem. Rather, He says, I will give you my yoke. Ano yung yoke? Yung pamatok. Yung nilalagay sa mga kalabaw sa pag-aararo. Yoke. Yung nasa balikat ng kalabaw. Mabigat yun. Yoke is a kind of thing na ginagamit sa pag-aararo. Sa Tagalog, we call it pamatok. Jesus tells us, my yoke is easy and my burden is light. Why is our yoke is so easy? Because when we carry our yoke, it is not only us who carries alone. The greater part of the yoke is carried by Jesus. Hindi lamang tayo ang nagpapasan. Kasama natin ang Panginoon na nagpapasan nito. That is why if you feel heavy and tired with so much things that you need to do in your life, let us go to the Lord and ask the Lord to help us to carry our yoke. Bis du Mode, kom und ruhe dich bei Jesus aus. And I hope this beautiful song, I Am Ever With You, would help you to find rest with the Lord and ask Him to accompany us to carry our own yoke.